Hey, this is Chap Ornoa. I'm going to show you a new feature that was just released from OpenAI yesterday, March 25th, 2025. Blew my mind. I thought to myself, finally they fixed this. Basically, what they did is they basically made it that ChatGPT 4.0 can generate images. But the best part is now they actually get the text spelling correct. And they said it took over a year. I watched the video yesterday. Blew my mind. It made me think to myself, well, I've got to show people this because this is going to save people a ton of money. Or you can actually take this particular thing I'm going to show you today and go on Fiverr or Freelancer or any of those basically sites out there, and you can actually start generating money literally with ChatGPT, because they said this is going to be for free users too. I'm not sure yet if it's if free users can use it. Okay, I know that I have the premium version. I don't know if it's called the Plus or whatever. So I can. So the title that I'm going to do just to show you this, how cool it is, it's how to generate YouTube thumbnail image with ChatGPT 4.0. Okay. So I already made the prompt and all that. So basically I'm just going to paste it in here. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to show it a thumbnail kind of that I made yesterday that will kind of give it an idea of kind of how to follow the structure in a way. All right. So we're going to go right here and we're just going to press continue right there. And you're going to see right before your eyes this powerful new feature with ChatGPT 4.0. Blow your mind. The text is going to be correct. Crazy. Like I said, so much potential with this. I just think it's really cool. Like I said in this video that I'm making, that's how to generate YouTube thumbnail image with ChatGPT 4.0. You watching this video are probably going to think of all the things that you can do with it. You're going to be able to make blog post images. You're going to be able to do things on Pinterest, Facebook. Like it's going to open up doors for people in marketing that's going to blow people away. And then eventually they're going to come out with the API version for this image generation that will take it to a whole different level that people can do it. It takes about, I'd say around anywhere from 30 seconds to a minute and a half to actually generate the image, which, like I said, I'm showing you how ChatGPT 4.0 can generate a YouTube thumbnail perfectly for you that you can just load right up for your video and get a lot of eyeballs looking at it. And what you'll notice is you'll see it right here, and it's working, but it's very slow because, like I said, it's making sure that it's doing everything correctly with the text and all that kind of stuff. So we're going to see it right here in just a sec. It takes time, unfortunately. Excuse me there for a sec. All right. So just give it some time here. Like I said, it was just released yesterday on March 25th, 2025. So, there's probably still some kinks and stuff like that. It's done pretty good for me. I did a whole bunch of thumbnails with it. It just, like I said, it blew my mind, what it did. But you can see how it's starting to do the title, because the title that I did was how to generate YouTube thumbnail image with ChatGPT 4.0. So it's doing a thumbnail for me for YouTube, for my YouTube video I'm making right now. It's showing you guys, this is the one I'm actually going to use. It's actually showing you guys right here what it's going to be. So mind-boggling. So you can see how it says how to generate. So it's coming up there. You can see the YouTube symbol here. Really, really cool. I'm excited to see, more things that come out, because things just keep getting better and better and better and better. So let's just give it some time here. Because I know myself, probably for the past year or longer, I would be trying to make, infographics, different things, and it would just spell terribly. And I was like, I can't even use these, so here we go. It's coming out here. How to generate YouTube thumbnail. See that? Image with ChatGPT 4. That's it. And then you can rate them. Then you can download it. And then you can upload it to your YouTube video on YouTube. And it's that simple. So if you guys have any questions or ideas, make sure you post some comments below of different ideas that you think would be really cool with this new feature with ChatGPT 4.0 with its image generation. Okay, I mean, you look right there. Everything is spelled correctly. Finally. And then all you got to do is download it right there. All right, this is Chatport Nova. I'll see you in the next video. Talk to you soon. Bye.